Under what circumstances can the financial emergency be proclaimed by the President of India? What consequences follow when such a declaration remain in force? 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. A financial emergency, as defined in Article 360 of the Indian Constitution, is one of the three emergencies the President can declare. It has never been declared in independent India and is intended to address threats to the country's financial stability or credit. Body. Circumstances for proclaiming financial emergency. The President can declare a financial emergency if they believe that the financial stability or credit of India is at risk. Consequences of financial emergency. Executive authority. The centre can direct states to follow financial propriety and issue necessary directions. Reduction of salaries. The President can lower the salaries and allowances of all government employees, including judges. Legislative implications. The President can review all money bills passed by state legislatures and direct salary reductions for MPs and MLAs. Reservation of money bills. The President can reserve any financial bill from the state legislature for their consideration. Suspension of fundamental rights. Although not explicitly stated, during a financial emergency, the enforcement of directive principles of state policy may take priority over fundamental rights. Conclusion. Understanding the provisions and implications of a financial emergency is essential for grasping how India addresses financial crisis. While it has never been declared, its potential effects could significantly impact government operations and the economy, as the President's powers aim to restore financial stability while potentially limiting certain rights.